Listen, most people think you need a ton of money to glow up. Expensive skincare, designer clothes, fancy gym memberships. But the truth is, a real glow up isn't about what you buy. It's about what you do. And the best part? Some of the most powerful changes in your life cost absolutely nothing. That's right, a $0 glow up. If you follow these tips consistently, you'll look better, feel better, and carry yourself in a way that people can't ignore. So let's go step by step. 1. Water is your best friend. The simplest, cheapest, and most underrated glow-up tool is water. Drink at least 3 liters every single day. Why? Because water hydrates your skin, flushes toxins, boosts energy, and even helps burn fat. Dehydration shows on your face, dull skin, tired eyes, and low energy. When you're hydrated, your skin glows naturally. Here's a trick. Carry a big water bottle with you everywhere. Sip throughout the day. And the next time you look in a mirror, you'll actually see the difference. 2. Sleep is non-negotiable. You can buy the most expensive moisturizer in the world. But if you're not sleeping, your glow-up is dead. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Your skin heals. Your muscles grow. Your brain resets. Aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. But it's not just about hours. It's about quality. Sleep at the same time every day. Wake up at the same time. Make your room dark, cool, and quiet. No phone right before bed. Do this for a few weeks, and your face will look fresh, your eyes sharper, and your mood unstoppable. 3. Move your body, no gym needed. You don't need a gym membership to build a strong, attractive body. Your body weight is enough. Push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, jumping jacks, mountain climbers. Do a mix of strength exercises and cardio. Strength gives you muscle definition. Cardio burns fat. Start with 20 minutes a day. Gradually increase. No excuses. Your floor, a chair, and your determination are enough. And remember, consistency is what builds a body that turns heads, not fancy equipment. 4. Walk more, the underrated fat burner. One of the easiest $0 ways to lose fat is walking. It doesn't drain you like running. It doesn't need equipment. Just go outside and walk for 30 to 45 minutes. Do it daily. Walking burns calories, clears your head, improves posture, and even boosts creativity. Plus, being outside gives you sunlight, which means vitamin D for stronger bones and better mood. If you're serious about fat loss, walk more than you think you need to. 5. Ice your face. Here's a glow-up hack that models and celebrities swear by. Ice. Rubbing ice on your face in the morning shrinks your pores, reduces puffiness, and tightens your skin. It instantly makes you look fresh and awake. And guess what? It's free. Wrap some ice in a cloth and rub it gently all over your face for a few minutes. It's a $0 facial that leaves you looking like you actually slept 10 hours. 6. Take care of your hair. Your hair is one of the first things people notice. And you don't need expensive products to improve it. The basics: wash regularly, don't over shampoo, and let it breathe. Oil your hair once or twice a week with coconut or olive oil if you have it at home. And most importantly, get a clean haircut. Even if you can't spend much, trimming your own edges or asking a friend to help is better than letting your hair look messy. A clean haircut can literally change how your entire face looks. 7. Eat smart. Focus on what to avoid. You don't need a fancy diet plan to glow up. Just avoid the things that destroy your body. Cut down on processed junk food, sugary drinks, fried snacks, and heavy late-night meals. Instead, eat simple and natural. Fruits, vegetables, protein like eggs or lentils, and whole grains. Your body will thank you. And remember, glowing up is not about starving yourself. It's about fueling yourself with food that makes you stronger, sharper, and leaner. Fix your posture. Posture is free, but it changes everything. Slouching makes you look insecure and sloppy. Standing tall instantly makes you look more confident and attractive. Roll your shoulders back. Keep your chest slightly out. Walk with your head up like you know where you're going. It doesn't cost a single dollar, but it makes you stand out. Confidence is part of your glow up, and posture is the fastest way to fake it until it's real. 9. Skincare. Keep it simple. Forget 10-step routines that cost a fortune. For a $0 glow-up, just master the basics. Wash your face twice a day with water. Avoid touching your face with dirty hands. And protect your skin by staying out of harsh sun as much as possible. If you can, use natural remedies like honey as a face mask or aloe vera if you have a plant at home. Your skin doesn't need luxury. It needs consistency. 10. The power of sunlight. Sunlight is nature's glow filter. Spending even 15 minutes outside can boost your vitamin D, improve your mood, and make your skin look healthier. But don't overdo it. Too much sun can damage your skin. The trick is balance. Get enough light to feel alive, but protect yourself if it's too harsh. And remember, glowing up is not just about looks. It's about energy. Sunlight gives you that energy for free. 11. Read and learn daily. A glow-up isn't only physical. It's mental too. You can have perfect skin and a fit body, but if your mind is weak, people notice. Pick a book. Read articles. Listen to podcasts. Watch educational videos. Feeding your mind costs nothing if you have access to the internet. And when you speak, when you think, when you carry yourself, the difference will show. Glow up your brain, and you'll glow up your aura. 12. Grooming basics. Trimming your nails, keeping your hands clean, brushing your teeth twice a day, using mouthwash if available, and making sure you smell fresh. These are basic, free, and game-changing. You don't need designer or cologne if you shower regularly and keep clean. Personal hygiene is the foundation of attractiveness. 13. Gratitude and mindset. Here's the truth. Glowing up is not just about changing your body. It's about changing your mindset. Start practicing gratitude. Every day, list 3 things you're thankful for. Why? Because gratitude makes you happier, calmer, and more magnetic. People are drawn to positive energy, and being grateful costs $0, but the effect on your glow is priceless. So remember, a glow up isn't about money. It's about effort, discipline, and small habits that stack up over time. Drink your water, sleep well, move your body, walk more, ice your face, care for your hair, eat smart, fix your posture, protect your skin, get sunlight, feed your mind, groom yourself, practice gratitude. None of these cost you anything, but together, they make you look unrecognizable. Do this for 3 months straight, and people will literally ask you, "What's your secret?" And you can smile knowing the secret was simple all along.